Welcome to Vintage Variety. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. These items came from Dana Stewart Coates over at Killer Queen Antiques. And let me correct that because I do believe that she has changed up the name of her channel. I think it is Killer Queen Antique Jewel Sales and Education. If you guys haven't checked her channel out, do so. I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. She is based out of the United Kingdom, so she has really good access to a lot of things you're not going to find here in the United States. A lot of beautiful antique jewelry and other antique items. She does live sales on her channel, and she also does jewel school where she likes to educate. Recently caught her live and I did purchase something from her, and I also won something or received a gift from her during the live. She always includes extra items, and this package is quite heavy, guys, so I'm really excited to see what she has included in this. I have put off opening this package for close to a week. When it arrived, I had a lot going on. I was working on a couple of other YouTube videos which have already been shown on my channel, and I was also working on the guest room that I've talked to you guys that I'm in the process of redoing. So the anticipation is killing me. I'm going to get this opened up and we're going to look at all the items that she sent. As you can see, everything is beautifully packaged, nice and secure. I am grateful for that because this arrived during a heavy downpour of rain. We've been having a lot of rain and thunderstorms in my area, but everything is nice and dry on the inside. And we're going to get this unwrapped. Okay, so it says, Pam, Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, thank you for being a friend, Dana and Fluff. For all of you that haven't watched her channel yet, Fluff is Dana's pet. It is a beautiful, fluffy kitty cat. Okay, so everything looks as though it is individually packaged, and it seems like everything is labeled. So that is really a great idea. That way I will know what each item is. From this particular sale, I did order a beautiful compact from her. Most of you know I love collecting vintage and antique purses, and I do have a few compacts that I've collected to go along with those. So I'm anxious to get it open and look at it. I know that it is an enameled compact. I think out of all of these items, that is the item that I am going to show you guys first. Let's get this opened up. It is labeled that it is the compact. Okay, so here it is. Is this not beautiful? It has a beautiful enameled rose on it. And I'm going to open it up and show you guys the inside of it. It still has the original powder inside of this. Often when you find these old compacts like this, the powder will be long gone, but this one still has the original pressed powder. Isn't that beautiful? I'm really excited about adding this to my collection of vintage and antique compacts. This package says pearl and garnets. I do love both garnets and pearls. Garnets is one of my favorite birthstones or stones, mainly because that was my daddy's birthstone and they always remind me of him. So I'm going to get this undone, and my guess is these are just free gifts that she sent. She is way too generous. My goodness, look at all of this. These are absolutely gorgeous. So these are pearls. This is a stretch pearl bracelet, and these are dyed pearls. Isn't that beautiful? I love all of the colors in this. Some more pearls. Look at the closure on this. Wow, these are magnificent. And this has, I think, let's see here, 4 strands, 5 strands. Beautiful pearls. And these are real pearls, by the way, guys. And this is something that I will enjoy wearing. These are also dyed pearls. There's the closure on it. And they have the smaller pearls that are dyed, and then it has larger pearls added to it. These are multiple strands. Look how pretty that is. And I'm not sure if the white pearls are real pearls. They look like they may be glass pearls. No, those are real pearls. Wow, this is beautiful, and it goes very well with the bracelet. These are pearls with garnet chips. Look how pretty this is, guys. What a beautiful combination, pearls and garnets. I'm just stunned. I mean, these are wonderful gifts. A bracelet that goes along with that is also pearl and garnet chips. Wow, this is just really beautiful. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. And we have another package. Let's see what this is. So this is another item that she has gifted me. This is rock crystal quartz, and it looks like there is also a glass necklace in here. So I'm going to open this up and we'll get a better look at it also. Is this not beautiful, guys? Look at all of this rock crystal quartz that she has sent me. I am really going to have to come up with something very unusual, rare, and unique to send to Dana as a gift. And, you know, that's the hard part, is finding something that she may not run across over in the UK. But I'm going to have to be very diligent in searching for something special to send to her. This is a beautiful vintage milk glass necklace. So, yeah, I'm really going to have to be looking around for something special that I can send to her as just friend mail, or a thank you for all of these beautiful items that she has sent to me. So here are some more items that she sent, and these are pearls. I'm pretty sure these are the pearls that she gifted me when I was watching her live sale. I'm going to get these opened up so you can see them. This is a very long strand of pearls, probably opera length. I think that's the correct term for them. And I'm just thinking of all of the shorts that I can do with these. I mean, these are just beautiful, guys. These things are probably 40 inches long, if not more. Look at this. Just a huge amount of beautiful pearls. I can't wait to see what I can put together and do some shorts with these. Pearls are really wonderful for layering, and especially when they're this long, there's just so many different things you can do with them. Dana, I hope you're watching. My goodness, thank you so much. I love these. These are absolutely gorgeous. So let's open this up. These are also pearls, and they look as though they have beautiful glass beads layered in between them. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Look at how they've done the pearls in little clusters, and then it has these beautiful clear seed beads and these black glass beads layered in between them. At least I think they are glass beads. Dana, if you're watching this, correct me if I'm wrong on any of this, but wow, I love these, and they're a nice long strand, perfect for layering. So I'm probably going to be doing some shorts with a lot of this stuff and uploading it for you guys to see some different combinations. And when you watch those, keep in mind that these items did come from Killer Queen Antiques. Here we have another bag of items, and this bag is labeled Edwardian. So let's have a look at these items. These are all gift items that she sent. We're going to open this up and see what this necklace is. This is a vintage necklace. It kind of looks like a Monet, but I'm not sure if it is or not. Let me get this opened up and we'll have a close look at it. I can only imagine the amount of work that goes into packaging items up every week to get them ready to ship out when she sold items on her channel. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. Beautiful gold tone. It is in immaculate condition. A lot of times vintage pieces will have scratches and things like that on them, but not this one. And guess what, guys? This is a beautiful Monet necklace. I love this. I love Monet jewelry. I love to wear Monet jewelry. I have quite a collection of it. And I'm going to show you guys where it's marked here. There's the Monet marking. I'll have to look and see. This looks like it may be a book piece. I did take a few minutes to take a look inside of the Monet jewelry book, and this necklace is a book piece. It is from 1966, and I've inserted these pictures for you to see. I am thrilled to get this and very excited to add it to my collection of Monet jewelry. This one says grandson. Oh my goodness, this is an Edwardian baby bracelet. I have 3 precious little grandsons. The most recent one was born in April, and it is just so extremely thoughtful of Dana to send this. I'll have to decide which grandbaby to give this to, but I am sure that it is something that they will treasure and they can pass this down to their children one day. This is beautiful. Look at all of the little details on this. So this is kind of engraved. Wow, thank you so much, Dana. What a sweet and touching gift. Oh my. I also see she has sent me an antique purse. Well, first I'm going to open this. Now these are for crafts. And I'm always telling you guys in my content, when you run across bits and pieces, broken necklaces and things like that, always put those to the side. You never know when you're going to need those parts to repair something. And I'm always on the lookout for things like this to repair pieces of jewelry. Look at this. This has a lot of pearls in it. This is going to come in handy for when I need to fix or repair, let's say, a pearl necklace, or even a brooch that has pearls set into it. Often you'll run across brooches and they'll be missing like a pearl or two. So that is a great item to have. And here we have some more pearls. These look kind of Baroque. So this is going to be added to my craft supply. This is something that I know will come in handy because I'm always running across pieces that need some repair done to them. The last item in the package that she sent me is this. This is a beautiful Edwardian chainmail purse. I'm going to take it out of the package, let you guys get a good look at it. Often when you run across these, they will have tears or the chainmail will be coming loose, but not this one. And look at the lipstick closure with the little settings in it. Usually the settings will be missing off of purses like this. So as usual with everything that she shows on her channel, this is in immaculate condition. And I am just stunned to have this. Dana, you have been very generous and it's greatly appreciated. Guys, if you have not checked her channel out, please head over and do so. Subscribe. She offers a wonderful variety of vintage, antique, mostly antique items that you're not going to find locally. And she also has some great educational videos that you can learn from. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to share these wonderful items from Killer Queen Antique Jewel Sales. If you haven't already, guys, go check her channel out. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on more content about collecting vintage and antique items. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.